Hi, this is Involve Innovation YouTube channel. In this video, we will see about how to install Ubuntu in VMware Workstation Pro in the Windows 11. From my personal experience, VMware is comparatively faster than the VirtualBox and VMware Workstation Pro is free for personal use. First, we will see about how to install the VMware Workstation Pro in the Windows 11. Navigate to the VMware Workstation Pro download page, the link of which I have provided in the description. To download the VMware Workstation Pro, you need to have Broadcom account. If you already have the Broadcom account, you can skip this next step. For those who don't have the Broadcom account, we need to create the Broadcom account. First, click the Download Fusion or Workstation button. It will take you to the Broadcom login page. Here, click the drop down in the login and click the register button. Here, enter the email address and enter the CAPTCHA and then click next. You will get the verification code to the email entered in the previous page and enter it, click verify and continue. In the registration screen, enter the first name, last name, country, password and then confirm the password. Accept the license agreements and click create account. In this page, click yes, I want to add my profile. Now go back to the login page and enter the email and password and log into the Broadcom account. You will be redirected to my download page. Here, click the My Dashboard link in the left tab. Here, search VMware Workstation Pro in the search bar and click search. In the search results, click the first link. In this page, scroll down and navigate to the reference section. Here, if you are using Windows operating system, select the first link in the Workstation Pro. If you are using Mac, then select the first link in the Fusion. Since I am using Windows 11, I am selecting the Workstation Pro. In this page, expand the VMware Workstation Pro 17 for personal use section and click most recent version. Currently it is 17.6. This will open the download page. Here, check I agree to terms and condition checkbox and click the download button. The modal will open which states additional verification is required. Click yes in the modal. In the trade compliance verification form, enter the personal details and click submit. Now you can able to download the VMware Workstation Pro. The download will start after clicking the download button. Once the file is downloaded, open the executable and accept the license agreement and click next. Here, select Windows Hypervisor platform checkbox and click next. Here, if you want, you can change the default installation location and make sure the Add VMware Workstation Console Tools to the System Path checkbox is selected. Then click Next. Click Next here. Here, I don't want the desktop icon, so I am unchecking it. If you want, you can keep it and click Next. Finally, select Install button. This will start the installation. Once the installation is completed, click Finish. Now the VMware Workstation Pro is successfully installed. Now open the Start menu in the Windows 11 and select VMware Workstation Pro. Here in the Welcome window, use VMware Workstation 17 for the personal use and click Continue. Then click Finish. We have completed the VMware Workstation Pro setup. Now we will see how to install Ubuntu in the VMware Workstation Pro. Search Ubuntu download in the Google search or use the link I have provided in the description to download the Ubuntu. Download the latest LTS version of Ubuntu. LTS stands for long term support version. Currently it is 20.04.1. This will start the download. Once the Ubuntu is downloaded, open the downloaded location and copy it. Now open the VMware Workstation Pro and click Create New Virtual Machine button in the Home. In this window, select the typical radio button and click Next. Here, select the installer disk image file, radio button and browse the ISO file location. This is the location of the Ubuntu file which we have copied, and click next. In the page, enter the full name, username, password and confirm the password, then click next. Make sure the username only contains lowercase and numbers. Here you can change the location of the virtual machine. I want to change it to a different location. I am changing the location. After changing, I am clicking next. You can specify the disk capacity. I am going with the default 20 GB and selecting the split virtual disk into multiple files radio box. You can also select virtual disk as a single file. Then click next. In the next window, select customize hardware to change the default hardware values for this virtual machine. First one is RAM. It is recommended to have at least 4 GB RAM. In my case, I am selecting 16 GB as RAM. The number of processor is 4. No change in the SATA. NAT USB controller. You can change the USB controller version to 3.1. I am going with the default 2.0. Then no change in sound card as well. In the display section, uncheck the accelerate 3D graphics because this used to give some issues. Click close and then click finish. Now Ubuntu starts loading. Once loaded, select the language. Here I am choosing English as default. I am going with the default accessibility option. Modify this if you need any changes. For the keyboard input, I am selecting English US. For internet, you can select wired connection and select install Ubuntu and click next. In the option what apps you want to install to start with, select extended selection, click next. In the next screen, check install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi, and also check download and install support for additional media formats and click next. Here you can select erase disk and install Ubuntu and click next. Then create your account by providing the username, name and password. I am just unchecking require my password to log in. You can enable it as well. Then select your time zone. Finally click install. This will take some time. Once it is installed, select restart now. Once it restarts, click next in the welcome window. You can select Ubuntu Pro or you can skip it. If you have selected enable Ubuntu Pro, then we will get a code. Use this code in the ubuntu.com pro attached link. Once it is added there, you will get a valid token. Check. Then click next. Enter the password and click authenticate. You can turn on or off the data sharing. Then click next and then click finish. Click the software updater in the left side top corner. Then click install now. Once all the updates are installed, select restart now. Once the restart is complete, now open Firefox, then navigate to any website. Here I am navigating to Wikipedia. Now we can able to see the virtual machine is connected to the internet successfully. Thanks for watching this video. For more technical videos, subscribe to this channel, share it with your friends if you find this content helpful. Thank you.